Hi guys, did you know you can make a website think you are using an iPhone directly from your VPS? First, let's look at A. Guys, I will give this command in description, then paste it, then enter. The A option changes the user agent of the request. Here we are telling the server that the request is identifying as an iPhone. Now let's look at L guys. Enter guys. The L option tells Carl to follow redirect such as 301 or 302 responses. These options are useful when testing how your website responds to different clients. L redirects follow for more VPS and Linux command. Thank you.